Today we learn how to make an easy transforming puppet. So to make this, you will require a sheet of paper. As you are going to do a finger puppet, it will be made up of two compartments. One for the body and the rest for the head of a character. So I have a strip of paper the first and second. I first place my hand in a piece of paper and measure the length of my finger. And then I divided them into portions where the body is quite bigger than the head. And actually I prefer you in order to use a sturdy paper. I'm using a paper that is of 170 GSM, quite thicker than a regular printer paper. Using thicker paper ensures more sturdity, and also if your hands wet, it won't affect the paper. So here I have it. First things, let's measure it according to a hand. I'm just holding it with my two fingers, bringing it all around like this. Let's make a note of this point, which is right here, and accordingly we can trim it. So it's time for trimming. Ta-da! So I have trimmed them. So as I told earlier, it's going to be a transforming puppet. So this is going to be the front part of a puppet, like this, and slowly when we turn it, it's going to be the other side. So the thing that I have prepared is a transforming superhero. So he's just an ordinary man among the citizens, and when the problem arises, he turns into a superhero. So this is the design that I have prepared. He's the ordinary man, and this is superhero. So now don't just think that there will be so much of gap, just a drawing for reference that I did, while the fair drawing will be perfect. So this is an ordinary and a superhero. So either two ways, friends. This is going to be the body part, isn't it? You could directly draw a sketch of it and then color it using sketches, color pencils, etc. But if you feel that you would mess up, you could stick paper, color paper on it and then do. Don't worry, it won't affect the paper, it just acts as more and more layers. But I'll be sketching on it directly. The head, and that's one thing, I won't tell the measurements as our finger size will vary. So it's you who have to try and then find the measurement. So now it's time to give superhero a life. So now our puppet is done, the template of it. I have added an extra sheet of paper which will help us while sticking it, like this. So in a similar manner, let's glue them up. So while you just fold it, be careful not to crease it too much, that will damage our puppet. I'm just gently pressing it. Like this. So our body of the puppet is now ready. So in a similar manner, I have prepared the head of a superhero. That's here. Here is the superhero mask that he's wearing, and it is him as an ordinary man. And also, to add more fun, I created this villain character, and it's like he's quite angry, and I gave him a red color to just depict evilness. So now let's test our puppets. So first I'm wearing the body and then the face of a puppet. So now he's an ordinary man. Problem arises and he turns into a superhero. Yes, so now this is very cool. So in this similar manner, you could develop your own story. This is not just the characters, they are endless. You could do whatever you want. Well, our puppets are ready. It's time for a small film. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and mention in the comments which video you would like to see next. So this is Rupak signing off. Think Unlimited.